Our filters are made of 2 layers of Halyard H600 spun polypropylene material. UF Health Anesthesiology team has found this to be useful for making masks. It's thought to be superior to the common surgical mask in its ability to block aerosols and droplets, including water, bacteria, and other particles. We'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to read some of their research. So you're going to take the blue filter and place it inside the mask. You want to make sure that the blue side is facing out, and just tuck it inside the pocket all the way. So now you're going to want to take a piece of wire for the nose bridge. We're just using a piece of pipe cleaner, and you're going to fold over the pointed ends so you don't get poked. Then in the mask, if you look, we have a small pocket at the top. So you're going to find the opening and then just ease the wire in. Make sure it's tucked up under the flap, and now you can mold this around your nose. Both the wire and the filter are not washable, so you want to make sure to take them out before you wash your mask.